Hello friends, welcome. My name is Nancy. I am a developer relations engineer at OXChanger. In this video, I will be doing a tutorial on how to set up your OX mining account. All you need to start mining is a web3 browser. First you need to open a new tab in your D app and go to www.ox-mining.com. Then you need to make sure you are connected on the Polygon network. You can make this setting in the top right corner of your app. Set this to make sure Polygon is active. You can then proceed to connect your OXCH wallet. On the dashboard, you can see your OXCH balance, the available mining pools to use. Mining OXCH is completely free. You just need to connect and start mining. No payment for hash power or transaction fee. This mining app was made by the OXChanger team due to the large number of requests by the OXCH community. And finally, the game changer is here. You can now mine OXCH, withdraw your profit anytime, or swap it on Polygon network, Uniswap. Let me show you some of the available plans. You need a minimum of 0.01 Matic to start mining. You can use this plan called Taste It. To get more insight on how the mining pool works, let me purchase this plan to get started mining. It is fast and seamless in terms of precision, and now I have successfully bought into the Taste It plan. You can see my active balance here in my dashboard. On the dashboard, I can either buy more OX power or sell OXCH power. Currently, I have over 5,000 OXCH. Here also you can see the Pi pool. I currently assigned 100 OX power to this pool, and I am making 104%. Pool reward from this pool plan. On the Pi pool, you are free to assign more OX power to the miner, and this will increase the amount of OXCH reward you receive per time. As I said before, no need for any sign up to start making profits from these miners. Now I want to make a new transaction on the Pi miner pool. I want to stake 5,400 OXCH tokens, then I need to approve and stake it, and then I need to wait for confirmation, and wait for it to get approved. This is a new technology, one of the plans by the OXChanger team to make crypto and blockchain technology a safe haven for everyone. You can stake and unstake at any time. The power of Web3. This was built in line with the OXChanger team's roadmap to provide a self-managed type of cloud mining. No user information is required. You can keep mining anonymously. And now the token is approved and staked successfully. Now I need to refresh my Web3 browser page to see the updated amount of my OX mining page. This is staked successfully. I can then begin collecting my OX rewards from the Pi pool immediately. I need to wait for some seconds and then refresh the page. You can also see my income. This miner can make you millionaires while you sleep. I get rewarded every seconds. And this profits can be cleared anytime. This is surely a way for passive income. Now I am claiming my rewards based on the 5,400 tokens I staked. And now when I refresh the page, you can see that my 5,400 OXCH balance has been added to my Pi pool mining balance. And my profits keep reading every seconds upon successful staking. A quick refresh of the Web3 browser page reveals the updated amount on the OX mining page. The anticipation builds as this staking milestone unlocks the gateway to collecting OXChanger, OXCH, rewards from the Pi pool. The power of Web3 continues to empower users, providing a seamless and efficient experience. A few moments of waiting, and with each passing second, the rewards start accumulating. The miner's capability to generate income even while you sleep is truly remarkable. This consistent stream of profits, accessible at any time, adds a dynamic element to the crypto journey. The potential to become a millionaire is a testament to the groundbreaking nature of this mining venture. In conclusion, OXChanger's vision aligns with the ever-evolving landscape of crypto, where accessibility, privacy, and continuous rewards converge. As the refreshed Web3 page unveils the staked amount, it marks the beginning of a profitable and secure mining experience with OXChanger. Feel free to let me know if you'd like any further modifications or additional details. Now, as I eagerly refresh the Web3 browser page, the thrill intensifies as I witness a remarkable increase. I am now 1,000 OXCH tokens richer. The dynamic nature of this mining venture unfolds, showcasing the immediate impact of staking on my crypto portfolio. I have the option to seamlessly transition to Uniswap, where I can effortlessly convert my newly acquired OXCH tokens into Matic on the Polygon network. The process is not only swift, but also remarkably simple. This marks a new era in cloud mining technology, demonstrating the ease with which one can navigate between different tokens and networks, ushering in a new chapter in the world of decentralized finance. This experience reaffirms the belief that with OXChanger, not only can you mine anonymously and securely, but you can also witness tangible and immediate returns. It's a testament to the power of Web3 and the transformative potential of decentralized finance.